Hi, this is Sylvie. I'm Avery Dennison's technical marketing for our graphics, which also including automotive products. So today I'm here to provide trainings for our installer that use Avery Dennison's products on the PPF, which is protective fit. Avery Dennison is a US company, so we have all the labs around the world to study and make the products that meet the high quality with very competitive price. So for us, we have two products for the PPF in these years. Actually, that's more. Anyway, we focus on the extremes, which is the 10 years products. It can last very long with very good qualities, and it have a very good self-healing functions and the hydraulics. So it's a very good product that you can use to protect your car.
Today, I'm very happy that the Infinity Autoworks is our distributors for Philippines to support the automotive industry. So adhesive and material science experience, our product has proved that 89 years old. So we provide a very high quality product. This is part one. Part number two, you are talking about automotive part. We have all types of products, all types of VLT to meet the customer's requirement. This is number one.
Hi, I'm Jean, and I'm the COO of Infinity Autoworks. We are the exclusive distributor of Avery Dennison automotive films here in the Philippines. This is the activity that we do every often. We do it quarterly to improve the efficiency of our dealers and their installers to be able to maximize the product.
We also have partnerships across the world, from the NBA, the NFL, and the Premier League, which tells about the story of the global footprint of Avery Dennison. But again, we're so happy that it's now here in the Philippines.
We strongly believe automotive is the key segments that we want to grow for Southeast Asia.